How to fix threads? Your account has been temporarily blocked. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, click apps and wait a second for loading. Scroll down for search your app or search here. Write threads and go to full stop, click OK and go to storage, click clear data and click OK and click clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data and turn on mobile data. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.